everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Chizaram Obano and this is Business Law with Zara. So today we are going to be talking about electronic signatures, or what we all know as e-signature. I'm sure you've heard about it. A lot of us are used to the traditional method of appending our signatures to documents, but with the advent of technology, we have been forced to do things differently, and there has been this ongoing controversy as to the validity of e-signatures. So today we're going to be talking about it. So if you want to learn about e-signatures, ensure that you watch this video to the end, and while you're at it, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you always get notified. So let's delve into electronic signatures. We all know a signature is someone's name or a handwriting expressed in a particular manner and used consistently by the person to signify his consent to any agreement or any document. Now, an e-signature is a person's intent to agree to the content of a document to which the signature relates to. And Section 93 of the Evidence Act particularly provides for the validity of an electronic signature. So electronic signatures are valid and they are admissible in court. And I hope you also know that it is a criminal offense for you to try to forge a person's signature. Again, Section 17(1) of the Cyber Crimes Act provides for the validity of electronic signatures in commercial transactions, and also the Company and Allied Matters Act, Section 101 of the CAMA provides that electronic signatures are valid for company transactions. I was told the story of a particular businessman. He was online trying to make inquiries for certain goods, and he got in touch with a particular company and was communicating online with the manager of the company about certain goods that he wanted to buy. Now, after some days of the discussion, the manager of the company sent him a document to sign, but he was even in a hurry. He did not read through the document. He just appended his e-signature and just sent the document back to the manager. After a few days, he came to his showroom and he saw a truckload of the products that he was making inquiries about. He was wondering why these goods are in his shop. And when he angrily called the manager of the other company, he was told that he has already given his consent and that he has entered into a valid contract. So this goes to show that you have to read through carefully before you append your signature to any documents. Like I always say, whether it is a hard copy document or an e-document. And in this case, the man was in so much of a hurry that he did not read through, and he did not even know that he has given his consent to the transaction. That was why he was enraged when the goods were brought to him. That tells us that electronic signatures are very valid in commercial transactions. Now we're going to be talking about some of these transactions where electronic signatures are valid. So this includes your contract of employment, your non-disclosure agreements, and every other HR document. Again, electronic transactions are valid in commercial transactions. So talking about commercial transactions, we are talking about your sales agreements, your purchase agreements, distribution agreements, and service agreements. Here, electronic signatures are very valid. Electronic signatures are also valid in consumer agreements. The law also provides for certain exceptions. For now, electronic signatures are not valid when we are talking about wills, codicils, and any other testamentary documents. Similarly, electronic signatures are not valid in birth certificates as well as death certificates. Electronic signatures are not valid in cases of divorce, adoptions, and issuance of court orders. So you have learned one or two new things about electronic signatures. So before you sign, like I always say, ensure that you read through carefully, read in between the lines before you append your signature. Because once you append your signature to any document, that document is valid. If you have found this useful, I would like you to click on the like button, share, subscribe. If you need further clarification, you can drop a comment for me and I'll be willing to answer your questions. This is Dr. Chizaram.